Interesting. Okay. Now, for the fourth question, what is your secret to a smooth and healthy skin?
A lot of
I think
people.
this question is my own personal question. I think as time goes by, you are making more projects and books, I think. Can you share a little bit about the new books that you have recently published, and at the same time, the coming soon ones that maybe will be very, very helpful for our public and for the society to also read and be, inspired about it?
Well, I have written a number of books, and I forgot a lot of the titles, so many of them. And recently, we just launched a new book called The Shortcut, and it's quite interesting for a lot of people to read.
Sorry, it's The Shortcut.
The Shortcut,
Okay.
yes.
So are we saying that, is it a shortcut? What does it entail?
It's about how to start a business or do things without going through shortcut. So basically, it entails about how you should do things proper, professional, and step by step, rather than going to shortcut.
Because there's really no shortcut, right?
There's no shortcut. Thing doesn't drop from the sky. Yeah. So you have to put effort, and you have to put a lot of energy into getting something. So basically, that's the book's about. The new upcoming one, it's called Nature and Life, and that would be very interesting. It's about my journey to see the Pope Francis. It's a very wonderful trip, a memorable one. So I wrote a book about it, my experience and my history of going there. So hopefully you guys enjoy reading it. It will be coming out soon, maybe in July.
Okay, so very exciting. We can't wait to see that, especially me. I was raised and born in a Catholic community. So I feel like coming up close to the Pope is such an impossible dream. But I envy you. You were able to.
I'm very honored, the only citizen, the only civil citizen to be invited by the Pope to see him.
Did you feel His Holiness during that moment?
I feel awesome, and I feel at peace, and quite grandiose to me. Yes.
Because just seeing him on television normally gives me that calmness. Then what more of seeing him in person? So July, or anytime very soon, the book is coming. So hopefully you'll attend the launching, and hopefully you get a copy of the book.
Yes, looking forward to see you all during the next launching of the new book.
Okay, now we'll go to a little bit of fun part. So I call this segment of the show 5 Truths and a Wish. I will be asking you 5 questions, but you have to be really, really honest with the audience.
Yes.
No telling lies, Mr. Chairman, okay?
Yes.
Full honesty, full truth only.
Okay.
And then I will be asking you at the end of it to give one wish. It could be a wish that you would like to have for yourself, for the people around you, or for the whole Cambodia. Maybe.
Yes.
Okay? So are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Question number 1. For you, what is your greatest accomplishment in life?
To be able to establish such a wonderful educational institution that educates so many youth, 55,000 alumni so far. And to me, I'm very proud of what I'm doing, my accomplishment. And I have always dreamed of involving in education sector for all my life, and my dream have come true. And I have done it, and I did it such a wonderful job. To me, I feel very proud of what I'm doing.
How do you call it? I think we are not here if you didn't do it.
Thank you so much.
So basically, you built a family here because you built such a wonderful home for all of us. Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. Next question. If you can go back in time, and let's say you meet your younger self, what will you tell your younger self?
Oh, definitely. I want to do that. But if I have a chance, I tell myself, don't be such a stupid, timid boy. Be strong, be confident. After all, everyone go through the same thing. Don't be embarrassed. Just have confidence. Do what you want to do. Say what you want to say. And be brave. Raise your hand. Speak your mind. And feel in your heart what you want. So please don't be timid. Don't be shy, and always involved with the good people around you. Hang out with the right people. Yes.
I think your younger self heard you. And then
It hurt me badly.
look-
I was so embarrassed. I was so shy. I was full of anxiety, and I have stage fright. And that's not a good experience to go through in life. Yes.
I think every kid will undergo that certain experience, but with you, I think you've transformed it wonderfully. So congratulations with that. Then third question, what is one book that you felt gave you the biggest impact in your life? Like somehow, they say books can change or break you. So what is this book that actually, give a big impact in your life?
Night.
Night, like Knight.
It's Night. That's one of the only books that stay in my mind. It gives a detail of how we go through the war and escape the war.
Oh.
And it's horrifying journey. And I think written by Wisely or Weiss. I forgot the author. Yes. But it's such a good book. So I recommend everyone to read it. And I will post the cover of the books, and so people can find it and read it. It's very interesting, small and very short, thin book, not that thick, and easy to read. Yes.
Interesting. Okay. Now, for the fourth question, what is your secret to a smooth and healthy skin?
A lot of people.
I think this question is my own personal question.
A lot of people mistaken me for using some kind of product, skin product, and so on. To be honest, I never use any products. I'm afraid it will be sensitive to my skin because my skin's easily being red and easily sensitive. So I don't use any product at all. I just wash my face twice a day with Cetaphil that I always said all the time. I'm not promoting Cetaphil. I don't know which company it is from, but just wash it before you go to bed and wash it after you get up in the morning. That's all you need to do. And also bring the towel, clean towel, and to school or to work or wherever you go, just go to the washroom and wash your face, splash your face with water, and just dry your skin with the clean towel 2 or 3 times a day during the daytime, and that will make your skin very smooth.
Okay,
and healthy.
I will definitely do
And drink a lot of water. You can take your weight divided by 30, and you see the amount of water you need to drink. Yes.
Okay. So hydration and sanitation for the face. Okay.
Yes. Hydration, sanitation. Make sure to change your pillowcase often because the dirt from your hair. And also wash your hair before you go to bed because the oil and the dirt from your hair will dampen your skin.
Okay. We will practice that anytime soon, and then I will let you know the results. So, kidding aside, this will be the last question. Who has been the biggest inspiration in your life?
Before, I always think of this and that, those and so. But as I'm getting older, I think the most influential person is my parents and my first brother. They play a major role. I don't feel that anyone have influenced me close to what my parents did to help raise the children, 9 of them. And right now we have 8 left. So they all become successful. They all become very normal kids. They have a big family. They have a normal life. It's not easy. And I greatly appreciate what my parents did to us to help upbringing us to what we are right now. So I'm very grateful. Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. Now, the one wish that you have, it could be for the present, or it could be maybe for the future. It could be for yourself, or it could be for other people.
I wish that Cambodia would be prosperous enough to help every child to be able to educate them, but also a quality one where they can challenge their mind and their heart so that they could be ready for the leader in the future, helping Cambodia develop for better nations.
There is no better solution for the different crises that each country is facing but to educate the people around it, especially the young generation.
But I'm very hopeful. I'm very optimistic about Cambodia and our youth. We see that year by year, we have Cambodian youth are very intelligent, very strong, passion-minded, and strive forward to be a better citizen. By seeing that, you feel positive, you feel happy and proud of being proud of them, of who they are.
Yes, I am witnessing that every day as you share it, because with the students that I work with, especially for AI, I think they're very active, they're very passionate. And as you know, we have 2 students from our school representing for conferences outside the country.
Oh, that's
so
amazing.
Those are good testaments that, the build-up is there and that little by little, Cambodia is pushing forward for that.
Thank you. That's good to know.
I think will be coming soon into reality, okay? Very, very soon. Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman, for sharing this opportunity with us. Maybe you have one last message for all the viewers right there.
Well, thank you so much for watching, and I greatly appreciate so far for your support. Without my viewers, I probably not be able to come here and speak to you all. And please continue to support us, and also please everyone, I ask that you go back to schools and don't be fooling around, and hang with the right people, study hard, eat healthy, sleep healthy, and drink a lot of water, and make sure you keep yourself busy and be all the best you can be, and be proud of who you are.
Thank you, everyone, and thanks for tuning in for Season 2, Episode 1 of AI Talks. Once again, this is Jake, your host for the day, and may you have a wonderful day. Be a blessing to everyone. Bye-bye.